Well, somehow I got it done. I did have to make a few adjustments, but she fits in there real nice. Plenty of space on the side. Yeah, lots of space. Got a cinch belt from the center connected. Plus, got the factory passive belt deal, so I can still wear that. And then just got to get the bar put in a harness. So anyway, yeah, plenty of clearance over here on this side because I got the small seat because I'm skinny. So anyway, there she is. I haven't actually sat in it yet with this gizmo, this little foamy lumbar support. So let me sit in that puppy. So this seat, it goes way back. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that with the lumbar. So anyway, with the adjustable rail, Jesus Christ, let me see if I go all the way back. Okay, that's all the way back. Look at where my feet are. I don't know if you can tell, but I couldn't even push the clutch in back here. I mean, barely. But I'm a mile from the dead man. Can't even touch the throttle, barely. So, and then it goes way forward. Here, I got it. Okay, so, let's see. Then it goes so far forward that, look at that, my damn, and the steering wheel's raised up a little bit. It goes lower or higher, that's it, not in or out. But so now, like, this is too close, you know. Anyway, this is too close for me. So anyway, there is a lot of adjustment on this rail. I like that because although there's limited head clearance in this car for a guy that's 6 foot tall, anyway, someone taller than me could drive the dang car. So yeah, anyway, so yeah, so there I am now, liking that. Okay, got her done. Oh, and yeah, so when you close the door, because you know you got your big shoulder gizmo there, when you close the door, it's kind of hard to see through there because I just tinted the dang windows. But yeah, full on clearance. Full on clearance there. We'll go around to the other side. Yeah, wouldn't you know, I locked the dang door. But you know, one thing, don't have the key in my pocket. This car sold, it's still got a keyhole on the damn passenger side even. So okay. God darn it. Let's go around here. Unlock this puppy. Oh God, my God. Yeah, my back's still a little bit sore, but hopefully this seat, this gonna help. So, got to get the custom harness bar designed and installed, and then we'll get in the full-on belts. But you see over here, you see all the clearance I got here? No problem at all. So some people, they get a seat so wide that this thing's hitting their door card. Anyway, so yeah, no problem. Tons of clearance. 1989 Honda Accord. This is the Corbeau FX1 Pro. Look at all that clearance. So anyway, yeah, I'm happening japping. All right, boys and girls, that was quite a job. It took me a while. Oh yeah, so I did have to, right here, this bar, I had to grind the end of it off. Where the weld was perfect and all that, but it extended out just a little bit too far. So I ground the end of this off. Lucky I got a little grinder. And then she fit perfect. Other than that, getting the seat on the rail, I did have to adjust the rail bolts a little bit to get it to line up perfectly. Because when it's not lining up right, you don't want to fight it. So anyway, mission accomplished. We got her. They even gave me a decal. Alright, you guys. Catching y'all a while ago.